Hi everyone. It's late here on a Sunday night in Australia, beautiful time of year at the moment. We're going into autumn. One of the things that I wanted to chat about with HCG, and I know I'm getting a few questions because I've popped up a few videos in the last few days. HCG, one of the things that we store in our fat tissue are emotional neuropeptides. So when we are on HCG or any weight loss process for that matter, sometimes we feel like we are sabotaging ourselves because we become emotional. And part of the reason for this is that as we are dissolving the fat mass, in whatever way we're dissolving fat mass, we're actually releasing neuropeptides into the bloodstream. So therefore, if you're feeling angry or stressed or anxious or frustrated or like you're basically going, this does not make sense in comparison to the life that I'm living at the moment, then it might be old stuff being released into your bloodstream. And this is something with kinesiology as well. If we're working on a kinesiology process, and sometimes different emotions will show up as the practitioner that the client doesn't quite connect to at the time. And it can be that it's in the cell membranes ready to be released, but the person hasn't actually felt them. And I get this really regularly where people go home after a session and then when I see them next time they go, oh, you mentioned that anger. Well, so one of the things with HCG just to really be aware of, if you need to have things like GABA or products that help the nervous system or magnesium or flower essences or something to help you sop up the stress hormones, that can be a really good idea. And same with after kinesiology balancing. Just having it balanced on the table when we finish a session, that's part one of the equation. But over the next few days, it takes a few days for the neurology of the brain to actually catch up after a kinesiology session. So it's Sunday night, and I just wanted to share that with you about the neuropeptides. Find me on New Leaf Natural Therapies on Facebook, Instagram, and just don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day. Sleep well.